Don't rush. Cooking starts slowly.
Okay, Mom.
That's it. Nicely done. Now you can get started.
Hooray!
Gently, like this?
I'm doing it.
Yes, that's right. Slow and steady. That's it. Keep going. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Good job, honey. Done.
Time for the oil.
Yes, that's it. Now the ingredients.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. We're doing great.
Look, it's cooking.
It sure is, my little chef. That's right. That's right.
Dad?
Dad, dinner is ready.
Oh, wonderful. Today, this tastes really good.
Oh, good. Yeah, really good.